Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use a multi-capture feature on Instagram stories. This new multi-capture feature lets users take up to 8 consecutive images and share them all at once. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Swipe right or press on your story in the top left corner. Once the story's camera opens, find the multi-capture icon on the left-hand side and click on it. Now tap the record button in order to take your first picture. After that, hit the button up to 7 more times. When you finish taking photos, you can review all your captures and delete the ones that you don't want to share on your story. Press on Edit at the bottom of the screen. Now you can edit each picture individually by hitting a photo preview in the bottom left corner. You may use effects, add stickers, emojis, draw or write something. Once your story is ready, simply click on the next button and share your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use a multi-capture feature on Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.